welcome to Stellar Hosting. How to update DNS records without downtime in cPanel. Updating DNS records is a common task when changing servers, adding services, or configuring emails, but it shouldn't break your website, emails, or any of your services. And honestly, downtime is one thing no business wants. Even a few minutes can affect sales, contacts, or trust. Here's a few reasons why DNS updates cause downtime. Downtime usually happens when a DNS record is deleted too early, a wrong record is added, DNS is changed before the new server is ready, duplicates or conflicting records exist, or propagation hasn't fully completed. The trick is to prepare first, update correctly, and only switch traffic when you are sure everything works. In this video, I'll show you how to update DNS records in cPanel without downtime. The first thing to do is to gather the new DNS values first. Before touching anything in cPanel, make sure you have the new DNS details ready. That could be a new A record IP address, a new CNAME value, new MS records for emails, updated TXT records, new SRV details. Make sure everything is complete. This step alone prevents 90% of downtime. Now, log into your cPanel account. You can access it via your domain.com/cPanel. Just watch our video on how to access your cPanel account to find out various ways to access it. Once inside cPanel, scroll down to Domain sections and click Zone Editor. Find the domain you want to update and click Manage to see your DNS records. Add new DNS records without deleting the old ones. This is the most important rule if you want zero downtime. Don't remove the existing records yet. Here's what to do instead. If you're updating an A record, add the new A record with the same name, but keep the old one temporarily. If you're updating a CNAME, do the same with all the records you're updating until you confirm everything is working. Because DNS propagation takes time, and during this period, some users will still try to reach the old servers while others reach the new one. Keeping both allows everyone to stay connected. You can lower the TTL, which is the time to leave, for the records you plan to update. This step helps to speed up the switch, but it's optional. It ensures DNS changes propagate quickly and minimizes downtime. As long as both old and new records exist, no downtime will occur. Once the propagation shows worldwide updates and everything is working correctly, you can now delete the old record. This is the final cleanup stage. Doing it earlier causes downtime, but doing it last ensures a smooth transition. And that's it. Updating DNS doesn't have to cause downtime, not even for a few minutes. As long as you can add new records first, test everything correctly, and only remove old records after propagation, your services will stay live and stable throughout the entire process. So whether you're switching hosting providers, moving emails, or connecting to a new app, this step-by-step method helps keep your website running without interruption. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to friends who need Stellar Hosting services. Also, subscribe and turn on notifications for more easy cPanel and web hosting tutorials. Stellar Hosting. See you in the next video.